Safety card offers important safety information, including the brake position in case of an emergency landing.
Stromnetz verbunden sein.
Electronic devices may not be connected to the power outlet during taxi, takeoff, and landing.
Stellen Sie sicher, dass Tisch, Fernbedienung und Monitor korrekt verstaut sind.
They know about it, you pay upstairs.
Okay.
And I described what
Yeah,
you
I
have.
have it. Okay. Nigeria. This is, see, I've not packed. These are my boxes because I'm packing a whole lot. Like, I've not packed yet. I'll just off the light in this room. I have a lot. Oh, jeez. Call the vet and ask him. Let's go, ma. Hello. Good day. How far? Yeah, snow is still down. Should I bring her over? In fact, are you around? Okay, I don't even know whether I should be passed by the farm first or I should head to your side first. I don't know which one. Okay, then please you write me that prescription for both to sure you get before I come. Sure you understand? Okay, let me get their card. Because I don't know because Bolt is still shaking his head. Bolt is shaking his head and snow is down. Not feeling fine. Yes, okay, alright, so alright. Okay. That is that. Let me get their veterinary card. Sadly, I will leave the cat. He's okay. I'll clip his nails when I come back. Wait, I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming, eh? Let me get your card. Oh shit. Then I have to settle the farm business and others, but let me first get their card. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. Okay. Mommy, are you in the house? Okay. My girl did not come today. She said she had menstrual pain.
Why did she tell you?
Her own comes like at least yes, her own. I suspect she has fibroid, but for now, anytime she even has menstrual pain, she should lie down on the floor. I have to send her home herself because it is terrible. You get? But I just in her. But so maybe it just came like in the night now, morning, because she traveled and she came back. So which means she didn't run. You know, after I give her a week off because I'll be traveling. You get so that she can stay while I go. So since she came back, why would she? You get? Run. Okay.
It's not wrong.
I know. I know. So I'm just so I started cleaning the house. I started doing a lot of things. So right now, right. The dog should go for a good step. I won't bring them out.
How many?
One, just one. Like you got that bag now. What's into your bike? And what I just say, don't be saying that a must. No. If not, you go to spend money for air. Yes. Any money where you they make go to enter into. Even if you don't go today, tomorrow, she'll get. So once you give her outside, if you just give her she will call the boys come let them inside. I will sign you out. So I bought diesel. So I don't know whether I'll pass through the farm first, then go to the vet, then end up here, or I should go to the vet first. I don't even know. So I'm with them in the car. It's crazy. It's only me because if she was here, she would have helped me. She would have helped me with them. But as it speaks, as it stands now only me now what they carry. No, mommy should stay with them now. That's why I didn't let her out early. Sure you get. That's why I was without her. That's why she went to work. As in she went to go and see her mother now. It is not easy. Oh. cheese. Oh, I have to. Oh my God. Take sunscreen. Sunscreen, eh? Oh. Okay. Oh. So we're heading back to slots. And yeah, combo. Let's go. Okay. Hold on. Come, let's go. Come, let's go. See small dog, no dey fear. See small dog, no dey fear. Who's there? Close the door. Close the door. Huh? Hey, the bite.
I noticed this thing went on Friday.
For me to use to sit like 2 days, don't they like 2 or 3 days? Number one, she follows me around
Okay,
when she's moving. I came in, she just like there fish the one, but she's not you get. I'm eating, she's not. I know that I know she's moving. She need to come up, then she'll be crying. Why are you crying? You get. So it means something is maybe getting her consistent. She's not backing, but exactly. I don't know. Then a visitor came to say, "Ah, no, don't follow me. Something is wrong." You get. Why is she in her cage and her cage is open? So when she's sick, she just goes to her cage alone, as an open door, and just a coil on her bed. She's not feeling fine. Okay, you want to check her temperature? Mama, sorry. It's been a very busy day for me.
Okay. My number one fear
This is
is
what?
it's like pyometra. Most times it happens after the heat.
Oh.
What I would do now is that I would
Pyometra.
pyometra.
No, it's not pyometra. Oh, this is again.
Is this inflation of the uterus.
Here?
You know, during this period,
Yes.
the walls, the cervix,
Yes, darling.
that
I know that sheds. Yes.
the cervix opens
Okay.
in preparation of fertilization.
Yes. Okay.
And most times, bacteria,
Enter.
fertility predators use that fertility to seep into the
Oh.
into the food. So it will help to
Feeling. Okay.
Can they act well, then get better.
Okay.
But the truth is that it will happen again. Probably in the next week or next 2 weeks.
Oh, really?
So the final best
It's surgery.
is just to
Surgery.
to remove, yes.
But what's happening to Hannah? Is it because she did not give birth?
If she gives birth,
Oh,
that
okay.
means she will not
Okay.
go.
Okay.
Both times.
Mama is okay. What happened?
Yeah.
Yeah, Billy, you know, see the.
Wow.
But okay. Yeah, I saw it in abroad. I was wondering what was this. I saw it abroad. Yeah, I saw it where I was. Just tired. I'm coming. Fine. I just have less time. I'm coming. Patient. My second step, and I have to get drugs when travel, get some things for the house. God, as usual, I have to do this for them. Oh, okay. See how much? 21,000. 740. I'm buying. Boo boo, it's okay. It's okay, Booga. It's okay. Boss is not even afraid. Boss is not even afraid of Booga. Bobo, see Booga. You don't even bother to just look him. See. He's not even bothered, he's just looking. I know. Nothing. He's just even close to the mouth. Very nothing. Not para. Booga! Hey, Apanga. Oh, really? When I came here. Eh? Okay. I just smell. Okay, yes, please. Okay. Oh, jeez. Let me see the kind of new eggs. Oh. Okay, it's not so bad, but it's so worse. Oh, they've increased. Okay. Wow. You have to get fuel. I just got home. I'm so tired, and I've not packed. I've not done anything. Oh no, let's go. Oh, see her leg. Take my drops. I've not packed.
I find that if you guest. No, okay.
Hey, you're cracking. I'll call you back. Yeah. Okay. Okay. No problem. Eh? Why are you getting here? Okay. Nope. I can hear you. Nothing. I will just get water. Hey.
Wichtigste Sicherheitsinformationen finden Sie auf dieser Karte, einschließlich der Schutzhaltung im Falle einer Notlandung. Die Karte befindet sich an Ihrem Sitz. Bitte nehmen Sie sich jetzt einen Moment Zeit, um sie sich anzuschauen. Sie lässt verbunden sein.
Electronic devices may not be connected to the power outlet during taxi, takeoff, and landing.
Stellen Sie sicher, dass Tisch, Fernbedienung und Monitor korrekt verstaut sind.
Dankeschön. Ciao. They know about it. You pay upstairs.
Okay.
And I describe what
Yeah,
you
I
have.
have it. Okay,
Thank
okay.
you.
What floor? Up.
Elevator, one floor.
One floor. Okay, thank you. Elevator. One floor, sorry. Okay.
Where are you coming from?
Nigeria.
Okay. Wow.
Nigeria.
How long is it like?
8 hours. Then. Okay. And then, okay, so I have to take my bath. That is the reason I pay for lounges, because I just pay for like a good lounge. Oh, cold, I have to take my bath and change. I did not dress. Change of clothes. Check. Okay. Yeah. So, yes, of course. Finally, I got to my hotel. I have a lot of exciting vlogs to share to you guys this holiday. How to get good hotels, what I saw, how to book your flights. You know, people always ask me in my other vlogs, how do I get good hotels? How do I get my amazing holiday vlogs? I'm going to put everything this holiday. So please stick to my channel and follow. Let me rest. See you guys in another vlog. Mwah.